Hi, grade threes. My name is Naomi.
And my name is Yishuan, and we're going to be talking about our composting project.
So, have you guys ever wondered what happens to the food waste in our school canteen? So, like at lunchtime, if you don't finish all your food, where does it go?
So we have a little story to tell. We ran cross country, and we were running across the back of the school where all the buses are, and we saw these two full bins of food, and it smelled really bad. And we were thinking, how could we help solve this issue?
So, this is the issue the two bins. So, every single day, our school produces more than 2 bins of a day of this food waste, which is the food we don't eat at lunch, our leftovers, but also the kitchen scraps. So when they're cooking and they throw away like the watermelon rind and things like that, it goes into these 2 bins. So, and why it's an issue is because these bins go to landfill and they rot. That produces methane, which contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Basically, when they decompose in landfill, they release bad gases into the atmosphere that contributes to global warming, climate change.
So it makes our earth really hot.
Exactly.
So the solution is a compost bin. A compost bin is essentially a container that will hold all of our organic waste, like kitchen scraps, and it turns it into nutrient-rich compost. And this compost can be used to help improve soil health and also help improve our little gardens with our little plants.
Exactly. So all we need to do is make these bins, and we put soil in it, compost soil, and composting worms. And what we do is every week or so, we'll put in the fruit and vegetable scraps from our canteen, from the kitchen, and then the worms will actually decompose these scraps and make it into the compost. So they're taking this organic waste and turning it into the super rich, healthy soil that you guys, the gardening team, can use to put on plants as fertilizer. It's natural fertilizer.
So it's like our nature's way of recycling, basically.
Exactly.
But what can actually go in a compost? You could put fruit and veggie scraps like watermelon rinds, banana peels. You could put eggshells. You could put tea bags. You could put leaves and grass. But you shouldn't put plastic, meat, or dairy.
Yeah, so how does this help the planet actually? So it means that it keeps food waste out of landfills, so less methane in the atmosphere, less climate change, and less pollution. And it helps your plants grow really big and strong, so we'll have beautiful plants around the school without needing chemicals in the fertilizer. And it's a great way to care for the earth.
It teaches us how to be eco-heroes, and you can be one too. So either start a compost bin at home or help us start our project.
Thank you!